2015 Toyota RAV4. We got a yellow indicator for oil change required, maintenance light. We did the oil change and it's still not gonna come off. You could do the oil change 10 times, 20 times, and the light's still gonna come on if you don't reset it. And it could come on again 3, 4, 5 months later and ask you for another oil change, which you can still keep driving up to like 5,000 miles. And you don't have to do it within the 5,000 miles. That is just a reminder that they're programmed to tell you every certain amount of miles. But if you buy an oil at Walmart, it tells you there how many every miles does it need an oil change to change it. 10,000, 8,000, 5,000 miles. But anyways, once you do that, if you want to learn how to remove that light, you're gonna go ahead and shut the car off. You're gonna turn the switch on. Hit the display button right here to look at the dashboard, change the settings there until we get to trip A. Once we're at trip A, we're gonna go ahead and turn off the switch, hold on to the button, and then open the switch and keep it down until you see those lights blinking right down the dash. And the flashlight is, the maintenance light is flashing, flashing, flashing. It went away, now you can let go. See that? Now you let go, turn it off, turn it back on, and your light will disappear. Very easy. It's a annoying light that comes on all the time. I hate those lights. It just programmed these vehicles to keep telling you to keep getting your oil change every 1,000 miles or 2,000 miles, which you don't need to. It has to be every like 5,000 miles, I believe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.